The clouds are heavy, they hang so low. The wind, it whispers, where did you go? A shadow lingers on the ground so cold. Goodbye in the rain, goodbye in the pain. Every drop it falls.
You can go now.
Yeah, frame Obaapanin Masa, me free offense so me wale amachewa Atwomaa na eja me be fi hoyi Atwomaa ne papa Isaiah omunyina jemitum sumdwem ehwe jemese oba odemeye omdemeye so eba bagana prana bioha hona yetna tena sumdwem o ma bibia yen lake nti ha dwese wa free nti bompai se nyame bekora ne ye na afi yaye bibia se de fata ye jano kwa se no yubia openipa okra because the last time I buy my bia no motin chen ho ofa wo no motna se ba ko ne det we nyina chese no yunipa oye so we krade a enkwantimi enye pompai se na chino bibia be kwa somdwem na aise de ope receive menya ushrai pompai mai nti de radias se eja onam so na wawoma nyankopon hira wo ze kase kra ma wo mogana nyame apegya wo ma enanam so bebre wo mane ne wa nti nyame na aye enye penyina na ebe wo na sefo ebesa mpaye ene nyamsuma wo mu edisi wo mani so esu free nyame na wo mu ye nimaye ne nyankopon so na mo so a odi ehira wo mu ehira ne ma ene ne nana nti minute bebreka dia mekan ze nyame mfa ne kransie damas amen
Calls your name. Goodbye in the rain, goodbye in the gray. I'll carry your light, though you slipped away.
The frame Matriarch Adomako ano. Me maame ne Atwomaa Mansa. Auntie Veronica. And say ye did me maame na watch da. Na me pese me da mu nyina mwase. E wo do. A mode ba beta ye chi. Na ye di me maame na watch da. Me stresse ososo nyankopon. Unhira mu nyina. Afesu minim se nipa bebre na aboa ye wona watch day. Atwomaa ya ye muye. Enti wo ha na we afre. Meye we amamu. Meye we amamu. Ma oda we amamu. Ni nyina ya Atwomaa ye muye na mu nyina la. Me gina ha me kase me da mu nyina amase. Nyame unhira mu nyina. Memphis workers mu Atwomaa fie. Mu nyinara me damase. Me kase me bubodin a me ntimi bubonwie. Na me maame ho asem a meka ne se ene se me maame ni ho ade ye hunu e kire me maame adwuma a woyeye ni story a ya me nam no so akiro wasase so Atwomaa ye dase me maame ya ye muye na me maame ya ye muye no metena se a me ankasa kra me nti ase Atwomaa gives freely without any stranger tie to the be or child dear cry your cries Atwomaa day was the munjai me a people's mother Atwomaa why ye Atwomaa do bia Atwomaa fa obia seneba obi biere ni ho beba Atwomaa cha Atwomaa be mu na che ne da bia me maame ne sigusu Atwomaa ukọ na me amachiri wadie Atwomaa wencha me areho to kura ba beda me koma mu ni me nimu tema ebesi a big hole has come in and I don't know how this hole is going to feel but meaning so through Nyankopon Atwomaa obewo wa yen obehwehwe yen odi embesi Atwomaa wusi wudi shira le jaye Atwomaa betina sina mi hweme ni ma madam funu menua no mi bibia no dedi asese edruta me se me frewa Atwomaa ko ye to me now and now why diama me and now why diama me Atwomaa ni bube ni hwe komfo erade Atwomaa meta wase Atwomaa da wuyi kire me usuba na medeti akwantumo me ba akwantumo me nya asem da because me show ni dada warriors ha warrior na medeti bi krom ha me da wase Atwomaa me ni nua no nyina da wase Brantoni sister ya magi kofia pel ya Adomako yenyinana Atwomaa ye da wase efise wa yade oyo batai mami odue odupotu tukesie na etutu yampa Atwomaa na oda so tiase ewe yakomemu ye di nyame eda wase na de ebeka ne se osrusu nyame onfa wisie ye Atwomaa nyame emfa wisie onfa okrensie na senya me kada bia na me bompa ya me si Atwomaa ba bia wo kono sa wo ko hu bi papa bi wa Atwomaa fa bere wo mane wa busuafo no nana no eni na fofo e kan ye hu nyina because you have touched everybody who has come to my life wo manyina ye da wase nyame onfa wo krensie ye me da wase
si Atwomaa na me fa wo krensie ena batampa kwa kai kan ma weja wo mo wechi ya me fa wo tu na kokuru no ma wo baby pants na e baby patu yebo ejidi se da achi bi ye be se hiem na de ni je ni ose eyi nyame aye e da nyame ase so wo de wo fam yen na kwode mo me nsem na wasa
The earth is quiet, the sky won't speak. I search
Growing up
for
on the other
echoes,
side of the world
but
for my grandma was hard. We never got to bond the way most grandparents and grandkids do, but she still tried as hard as she could to know me. She regularly called me to check up on me, find out what was going on in my life, and remind me that she loved me. A memory I'll never forget of her was the second time I went to Ghana. She sat with me for hours telling me stories about her childhood, and she even used my aunties as translators when I didn't understand what she was saying. Now it's been a couple weeks since she passed away, and I've fully processed it. I'll never be able to call her again, and when I go back to Ghana, she won't be there waiting for me. And she won't be able to celebrate my future achievements like graduating uni or starting a family. Knowing this makes me sad, but I'm forever happy that I never took my time with her for granted. Atwomaa, thank you for always loving me and for always staying connected to me.
Hello, my name is Emmanuel Kwabna Amponsano, grandson of Atwomaa and son of Janet Ama Otrewa Adomako, better known as Amatriarch, or your daughter Atwomaa. They say the mind replays like what the heart can't delete. And my mind has been replaying the day that I found out over and over. And it's been hard for me to understand that Atwomaa is actually gone. When I think of Atwomaa and I think of your essence, Atwomaa, I think it can only be captured by the quote that it is better to light the candle than curse the darkness. Atwomaa was that woman who lit the candle and shone her integrity and virtue as a beacon throughout every walk of life and on every person she interacted with, including me. There's an African proverb that says, the tree with deep roots has no reason to fear the wind, and Atwomaa, even though you are gone, the roots you planted and cultivated inside every single one of us remain so deep that not even a hurricane could blow them away. And every single one of your descendants will carry your legacy with pride and honor. So thank you, Atwomaa.
For echoes, but the world feels weak. The silence cuts, it carves, it keeps. Ooh, the river runs, but it won't rewind. The clock ticks slow, but it won't be kind. I reach for you in the space behind. Goodbye.